Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another exciting video. Today I'm planning to make very famously known summer roll. You can make different kind of summer rolls. Today I'm planning to make spicy mango summer roll, also a shrimp summer roll. Please enjoy this video and thanks for tuning in. So for this recipe, I have this rice noodle and also people call glass noodle also. So I was looking for a plain one, but luckily I found spinach flavor. So it's more better actually. I'm gonna use that. So first we have a hot water. It's not in boiling water, just the hot water. So I'm gonna soak it in the hot water for a few minutes, and it's gonna dissolve, like soften up, and then we're gonna take it out from there. For the summer roll, I'm gonna make some cabbage salad. So I have a little piece of cabbage. I'm gonna finely julienne it. Just like this, finely julienne. So now I'm gonna cut some cucumber. So I'm using only the sides of the cucumber, the flesh, not the seeds. So also we're gonna julienne that also. Just like this. Also carrot. I have a piece of carrot. I'm gonna julienne that also. So now I'm gonna cut some mango also. So I'm gonna peel the mango first. Just like this. Add it to our mix. Add some red onion. Thinly slice. Cilantro. Chop cilantro. Also some green onion. So our salad mix is ready. Look beautiful. You see how colorful it's looking. So I'm gonna marinate this salad first. So now we're gonna marinate our salad for our summer roll, mango summer roll. So salt, black pepper, teaspoon of rice vinegar, about 1 teaspoon, sesame oil, few drops of sesame oil, couple of teaspoon of soya sauce. One teaspoon of hoisin. And also 1 teaspoon of sweet chili. And touch of honey, a little bit of honey. We're gonna mix everything. So our mango salad ready, mango summer for the summer roll, mango summer roll. It's nice and tasty. So our noodle is boiled, glass noodle. It look nice and cooked already. I just soak it for a few minutes. It's a spinach flavor, look amazing. So before I start, I'm gonna make some peanut sauce. So I have some peanut butter here. I'm gonna add hoisin, about 1 teaspoon in there. Sweet chili sauce, about 2 teaspoons. Little bit of soya sauce, like half a teaspoon. Some rice vinegar, about 1 teaspoon. And we're gonna combine everything together. You don't need to add any salt or any seasoning because peanut butter has salt already in there. So we're gonna mix everything together. And also we're gonna add some hot water to it to make it a little softer. So I'm adding some hot water. You can eyeball it, whatever you need, how much you need, you can adjust it after. So we're planning to make a dipping sauce, so you know it's not gonna be so thin or thick in the middle. So our amazing peanut butter sauce, actually peanut sauce, not the peanut butter sauce. So it's ready. I'm gonna transfer into a small dipping bowl. So later we wanna enjoy with the dipping sauce. Voila. Mango summer roll. So this is ready made. It comes in a pack. You can get from any Chinese grocery store. It's rice paper. So first we're gonna soak in the warm water. Just lightly dip into the warm water for a few seconds. And then place it on your cutting board or any surface you wanna to make it. Green leaf or any salad leaf you wanna use. A little bit of mango salad, which is we make earlier, and also a little bit of noodle, glass noodle. Gonna place just like this. I'm gonna roll it just like spring roll we do. So fold it, fold on the side also, and just roll it up just like this. So our roll is ready. So now we're gonna make our shrimp summer roll. So I have a boiled shrimp, which is I boiled earlier, just salt water, some lemon. I just boil it and for a couple of minutes, and then I'm gonna slice this shrimps. Leave it here, 1, 2, right here, and then we're gonna make our shrimp roll. So same process. I'm gonna take rice paper and then soak it in the water, warm water, for a few seconds all around. and then place on the board some salad leaf, some cucumber, some carrot, the rice noodle, and our shrimps. You can lay them up also, just like this, 3 pieces. So first we're gonna roll it this. And roll it, the shrimp on the bottom, from the side, just like this, and we roll it. You guys can see. So our delicious summer roll ready to serve. I have here peanut sauce and also sweet chili sauce, which is you can get it from the grocery store. They look amazing, look tasty. So thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Came out very nice, look amazing. Please do try this recipe. It's a very delicious recipe and pretty easy to make. And also follow us on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. If you like our video, please consider subscribe our channel, and I will be back pretty soon. Take care of yourself, stay safe. Allah Hafiz everyone.